sure you can see the water behind me, although more than anything else, you'll be able to see the sea fog that's out there. Should clear up here in the next couple minutes. Hopefully we'll still be here when it does. Now I do have something I want to talk about. Something I'm suspicious of. Now I have been going out for the past 2 months, weekly, if not more than weekly, to the Battleship Texas. As you know I do. Doing my videos, taking photographs, and seeing what's going on, as far as we can find out. Now, it struck me this last Thursday when I was out there. I'm very suspicious that the Battleship Texas Foundation is out of money. If I'm right, then she has no home, she has no bank. Now, let me tell you why I suspect this. Like I said, I have been out there weekly, if not twice a week, for the past 8 weeks. Never see anybody working on the ship. Now, I have seen people working on the foretop, which has been taken off of the ship. I've got some photos and video of that here as well. But the last few trips, I have not seen anybody working on it. Now, we all know it costs money to keep the ship at that dock, and I'm sure it's a lot of money. In this video, I went over the ship quite a bit. It's not all on this video because most of it would just be repeat of what you're going to see here. But there's nobody on that ship that I can spot. I spotted one guy walking around on board and one guy walking around the foretop. Now, my suspicions are that the Battleship Texas is homeless and has no money. Now, we were told on the tour that I took on December 8th that the deck is being worked on as funds are available. To me, that means a standstill because there are no funds. This is all opinion, of course. I have no inside information as to their finances. At this point, there have been $70 to $80 million spent on the ship, and a lot of fantastic work has been done on the ship, thanks to Gulf Copper Shipyard. But I truly think the foundation is broke, or close to it. There's still no settlement on a home or a permanent home for her. And there appears to not be work being done. Now, I'll admit there could be work being done down below the deck. 8 weeks I have been there, I'm going to say 14 times. I've never seen more than one person on the deck of the ship. And I've been there different times of day. So, I don't know. I don't know what to think. I take that back. I do know what I think. And it's not what I hope for. But what I really want to know here is, what do you think? Do you think she's homeless and broke? Do you think the foundation's out of money? Or do you think I'm out of line? A lot of people think I'm out of line when I talk about the foundation, and that's okay. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Differences of opinions. Originally, this project was supposed to take 9 to 18 months. We are now at 3 years. Now put down in the comments what you guys really think, because I am really interested in knowing. I'm trying to figure this out. And I lean one way already, but I want to know what everybody else thinks. I can always be wrong. I mean, last time I marked the calendar. It was a few years ago, but it happens. All right, y'all. Check out these videos. Short videos, about 3-4 minutes worth. And let me know what you think in the comments. Appreciate you coming by, and here we go. I forgot to check for periscopes out there in the water. You know, the Foundation still believes the U-boats are out there looking for the Texas. That's why they don't release information on her.